Artificial intelligence is advancing at an unprecedented pace, transforming industries and reshaping the future of work. While AI has the potential to automate tasks, streamline operations, and boost efficiency, it also raises concerns about job displacement. Workers across various sectors are asking, will AI replace my job? The answer is more complex than a simple yes or no. AI is not just replacing jobs, but also creating new opportunities and redefining roles. Understanding how AI impacts employment in 2025 is essential for navigating the evolving job market. In this video, we will explore the industries most affected, the skills needed to stay relevant, and how AI is shaping the workforce of the future. If you enjoy insights into AI and technology, like this video, subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. Let us dive into the future of work in AI. 1. The impact of AI on employment. AI is transforming how businesses operate, automating repetitive tasks while enhancing productivity. Industries such as manufacturing, retail, and logistics are seeing significant changes due to AI-driven automation. Routine jobs, especially those involving predictable tasks, are most susceptible to displacement. However, this shift is also creating demand for new roles that require creativity, critical thinking, and technical expertise. The overall impact varies by sector, with some experiencing job losses, while others witness job creation. AI's ability to augment human capabilities means many jobs will evolve rather than disappear entirely. Workers who adapt to this change can leverage AI to enhance their efficiency and value. The key lies in understanding how AI complements human efforts, rather than viewing it solely as a threat. Adapting to this dynamic landscape is crucial for future job security. 2. Jobs most vulnerable to automation. Certain jobs are more at risk of automation due to their repetitive and rule-based nature. For example, roles in data entry, assembly lines, and customer service are increasingly being replaced by AI systems. Self-checkout machines, chatbots, and robotic process automation are taking over tasks that require minimal decision-making. Transportation and logistics roles, like truck drivers, are also facing disruption with the rise of autonomous vehicles. Even some white-collar jobs, such as bookkeeping and legal document review, are being automated by AI-powered tools. However, it is important to note that not all roles within these fields are disappearing. Jobs that involve nuanced decision-making, emotional intelligence, or complex problem-solving remain challenging to automate. Workers in vulnerable roles should focus on upskilling and transitioning to areas where human expertise is still indispensable. 3. Jobs created by AI technologies. While AI replaces some jobs, it also creates new opportunities in emerging fields. AI development itself requires a workforce skilled in data science, machine learning, and programming. Roles such as AI trainers, algorithm auditors, and ethics consultants are gaining prominence. Additionally, industries are seeing growth in areas like cybersecurity, as organizations require specialists to safeguard AI systems. Creative professionals, such as designers and writers, are leveraging AI tools to enhance their work, opening doors for hybrid roles. The healthcare sector benefits from AI, creating jobs for technicians to manage AI-enabled medical equipment. Education is evolving too, with demand for AI literacy trainers and digital transformation experts. The emergence of these roles highlights the importance of staying ahead of technological trends. AI may shift the job landscape, but it also offers avenues for growth and innovation. 4. The importance of adaptable skills. As AI transforms the job market, adaptability is becoming one of the most valuable traits for workers. Employers are seeking individuals who can learn quickly, embrace change, and navigate evolving technologies. Skills like critical thinking, creativity, and emotional intelligence remain highly relevant in an AI-driven world. Technical expertise in fields such as data analysis, coding, and AI operations is also in high demand. However, even non-technical workers can benefit by understanding how to collaborate with AI tools effectively. Lifelong learning is no longer optional, but a necessity for staying competitive in the workforce. Online courses, certifications, and professional development programs are excellent resources for acquiring new skills. By focusing on adaptability and continuous learning, workers can future-proof their careers. Those who embrace change are more likely to thrive in an AI-integrated job market. 5. The role of human-AI collaboration. AI is not here to replace humans, but to work alongside them, enhancing productivity and creativity. Collaborative roles are emerging where humans and AI systems complement each other's strengths. For instance, AI can handle data analysis, while humans interpret the results and make strategic decisions. In creative industries, AI generates ideas or drafts, which humans refine to align with their vision. Customer service is another area where AI manages routine queries, freeing up human agents to address complex issues. This partnership between humans and AI enhances efficiency while maintaining a human touch. Workers who understand how to use AI as a tool can significantly boost their performance and value. Collaboration with AI also fosters innovation, enabling individuals and businesses to achieve more. Viewing AI as a partner rather than a competitor is key to succeeding in the future workforce. 6. Ethical concerns and job displacement. As potential to replace jobs raises ethical questions about fairness, equity, and economic stability. Job displacement disproportionately affects workers in lower-income roles or those lacking access to upskilling opportunities. Governments and organizations face pressure to address these challenges through policies and support systems. Universal basic income, reskilling programs, and job transition assistance are potential solutions being discussed. Companies have a responsibility to use AI ethically, ensuring that automation benefits society as a whole. Transparency in decision-making processes and stakeholder engagement are vital for addressing these concerns. Workers must also advocate for their rights, pushing for fair treatment during transitions caused by AI adoption. Balancing innovation with social responsibility is critical to ensuring AI's positive impact on the workforce. Ethical considerations must remain at the forefront of AI-driven workplace transformations. 7. Industries thriving with AI integration. Not all industries face job losses due to AI. Many are thriving by integrating this technology. Healthcare, for instance, benefits from AI-powered diagnostics, personalized treatments, and robotic surgeries. The education sector is leveraging AI to create adaptive learning platforms and enhance student engagement. In agriculture, AI-driven tools optimize crop yields and resource management, creating demand for tech-savvy workers. Retail and e-commerce are also evolving, with AI streamlining inventory management and customer personalization. Even traditional fields like construction and manufacturing are seeing job growth in AI maintenance and implementation roles. These industries showcase how AI can complement human expertise rather than replace it. Understanding how AI enhances specific sectors helps workers identify where opportunities lie. Thriving industries provide a roadmap for adapting to and leveraging AI in the workplace. AI is not just a disruptor, it is a catalyst for change, creating new opportunities while transforming existing roles. The key to navigating this shift is staying informed, adaptable, and proactive about upskilling. By leveraging AI as a tool, workers and businesses can unlock unprecedented potential. If you found this video insightful, like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates on AI and technology. Let us embrace the future of work with optimism and readiness for what lies ahead.